Do a quick China haul. So let's start with this. This is like my favorite among everything I got from China. So this is a Shanghai Disneyland exclusive merch. So it's like a makeup bag. Anyway, yung pumasok ako dun sa Disney store nila. My God, super laki. As in, sobrang laki ng Disney store nila. Pwede kang tumakbo dun or whatever. Anyways, let me show you. It's kind of big. So meron mga brush compartments and all that. Anyway, these are all the beauty items I got from China. So let's start with this. Actually, you've seen this na in my, Miniso haul. So this is the lashes. Guys, I'm gonna show you my beauty haul lang, okay? I also did got like, not so much, pero meron din akong clothes na nabili. Anyways, and this one, you also saw this na from my Miniso haul. Okay, now, for the makeup, hindi din naman ganun karami. Okay, let's start with this. So this is the Timage foundation. Sikat to sa China. Like, jade infused daw siya. Like jade, alam mo yung jade, diba? Yung green. Anyways, Timage, medyo parang like niche makeup brand sa kanila, pero medyo sikat. So baka hindi super niche. Anyways, baka wrong info ako. So, yan siya. It's not like nasa affordable side, medyo pricier side din siya. So this is the foundation. Look, super cool kasi meron siyang itong part sa taas. And it's a concealer. Yeah, I know, it's so cool. Like, I haven't tested it out yet, but yeah. So, I got 3 lip products. Let's start with this. So, this is from Juicy. Ito yung sikat nila na lipstick. Or, is it lipstick? Basta yung glossy na lipstick, di ba? Anyways, I just got the popular shade. So, it's like medyo brownish. Okay, let me swatch it for you guys. Okay, there. Ang maganda dito, hindi siya super heavy sa lips. Like, glossy siya, pero hindi siya heavy. And then, I got 2 products from Flower Nose. Okay, first is this. This is a lip product, you guys. It looks like a cake. So cute, no? Parang strawberry shortcake. And then, once you open it, ganyan siya. So you get, and then you apply. Actually, we can try this today since wala pang lip product. It's like a, oh wow, ang ganda. Oh my God. I'm gonna use this for like, layering. Bagay ito sa makeup look ko today, ah. Let me swatch it for you. Okay, there. So, mousse type lang siya and very airy yung texture. And then, the second Flower Nose lip product I got is this. Again, another glossy lip product similar to the Juicy one. So, yan. Medyo nasa mauve siya na. Share it with this. Let me know if you want a try-on clothing haul. See ya!